Hey techies! In today's quick guide, I'll explain how to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop with Adobe's 14-day trial. Adobe InDesign is a powerful publishing and layout software that allows you to create stunning print and digital designs. To get started, click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Adobe's official trial page where you can access the full version of InDesign. Once you're there, hit Start Free Trial. Adobe generously offers you their All Apps plan, which includes InDesign plus Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more, for a thrilling 14 days at no cost. You'll then be asked to choose your subscription type. The monthly plan is great if you want flexibility. You can cancel anytime. The annual plan gives you the best monthly rate if you plan on using Adobe tools long term. After selecting your plan, log in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will ask for a payment method to activate the trial, but don't worry, there's no charge if you cancel before the 14 days are up. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the instructions. Set a reminder on your phone so you don't forget. Next, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once that's installed, open it, find InDesign in the list, and click Install. That's it. You've now got 2 full weeks to use Adobe InDesign and explore all of its publishing and layout tools, free and risk-free. If this tutorial helped, please like it and subscribe for more tech guides and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with Adobe InDesign.